What are the roles and responsibilities of a brand manager?
See, it will be very interesting to answer this question because certain kind of JDs they summarize the roles of a brand manager in a different way. Let me start by summarizing what the responsibility in marketing is of a particular individual. Now, when you look at what you're supposed to do in marketing, you are here to actually solve the unresolved problems of a consumer in that simple a language, or say you solve a problem better. Okay, these are the two broad things that you do. As a brand manager who's kind of owning the brand, you kind of are closer to the consumer, closest to the consumer. So your job entails, the first job that it entails is, solve the consumer problem, is what I would say. And to solve the consumer problem, and remember, consumer problem is a very broad word, right? If you just broaden your horizon and think about 6 P's of marketing, consumer problems can be in terms of place, it can be in terms of price, it can be of course in terms of product, which we speak of when you think of unresolved problem, and it can be in terms of the other piece of marketing as well, using say something like promotion, where you're not able to make the consumer understand what your product is supposed to do. So that is what a brand manager's role is, and in a sense you are the one who kind of is the closest to the business. You are closest to the consumer, so you connect with every function possible to ensure that the consumer needs are always taken care of, whether it is in terms of price, whether it is in terms of place, whether it is in terms of promotion. That's your job. That's what a brand manager does essentially, in a sense. Apart from it's very easy to define the job in terms of output metrics or input metrics, but I think that is the best way you will define a brand manager's job. Of course, there are definitions in the market where people will tell you that your job is to ensure that your brand goes faster than the category, your brand equity is up, etc. But I would stick by the first way, and that approach really makes a lot of difference in the way you think and way you approach. It's a typical way of looking at a typical FMCG brand manager is somehow interlinked between a so-called typical product manager role, which you see in tech, and to a typical marketing role that you do in tech. So it's kind of integrated to each other, and that's what a brand manager's role is. It's an amazing role, giving you a lot of clarity in terms of business.